I am busy right now.
I am cooking. Wait a moment. Whew.
I am busy on my phone. Can someone listen to me? Hello? No one is listening. I feel alone. Maybe I am not important.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. Teacher? I know the answer. Yes, Sarah, you answer.
The square root of 64 is 8.
Oh.
No one talks to me.
I am alone again.
Why does no one sit with me?
I feel invisible.
I am back home.
Today was not good.
Why does no one see me?
Maybe I am not important.
No one listens to me.
I feel very alone.
But I can change this.
I will try again.
I will start today.
I will study every day.
I want to learn more.
I can help you. My shine.
Here, this is yours.
Like that? And here? I will not stop.
He is working hard.
I feel stronger now. Wait.
Class, we have a problem.
I don't understand.
I know this. Teacher? I can try. This is the answer. Very good, Ethan. Wow, good job. I did it.
Ethan, that was very good.
Thanks, I appreciate that. Thank you. Can you help me later?
Help me later?
Let's go together.
This feels new.
I am not alone now.
Things are changing.
I got a message from school.
What did they say?
What did they say? Ethan did very well today.
Really? That is amazing! That is amazing!
I am home. Ethan, come here. We are proud of you.
You did great.
You noticed me.
We are sorry, Ethan.
We did not listen to you.
It's okay. I just wanted someone to listen.
We will listen now.
You are important to us.